Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Before going into today's details, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it right now. Whatever is discussed in today's video, I'll put the details in the description box below. Today I'm going to talk about induction stove. I'm using induction stove in my home from past 5 years. I don't use gas cylinder at home. So let's talk about the benefits of induction stove. Food is prepared much faster than compared to gas cylinder. Only catch is you need to buy separate utensils for induction stove. These utensils have flat base. You can see this is the flat induction bottom and it's written here induction bottom on the utensil. You can use these utensils on the gas also on low flame. If you think by using induction you will get higher electricity bill, then it's wrong. According to me, electricity bill will be less compared to the expense you spend on gas cylinder. My electricity bill comes in the range from 750 to 900, which includes TV, fridge, microwave, geysers and 2 induction stoves. People say food doesn't taste good if it is cooked on induction stove. It is not true. Food tastes equally same whether you have cooked it on the induction stove or on the gas cylinder. You need to worry about when your gas cylinder is running low. If you are setting up your kitchen for the first time, I'll suggest you to buy induction stove. But if there is a lot of power cut in your area, then you can buy a small gas cylinder as a backup.
Let me summarize the benefits of using induction. Like I said before, food is prepared much faster in induction stove as compared to gas stove. This is because in gas stove, about 50% of energy gets wasted as heat. That's the reason why you sweat while cooking on gas stove. And it takes longer time to cook food. In induction, energy is focused only on the cooking vessel and no heat gets generated. Hence it is much efficient and faster and you don't sweat as compared to cooking on gas. Another benefit is it is safe compared to gas as there is no fire involved. Last but not the least, induction cooking is more economical compared to cooking on gas. You spend less money compared to refilling or buying gas cylinder. So in the long run, you save money. Now let me tell you the cons of induction cooking. The biggest con is the normal utensils don't work on induction cooktops. So you need to buy induction base vessels. But if you are setting up your kitchen for the first time, then it won't be an issue compared to replacing your existing kitchen utensils. Another con of induction is dependency on electricity. Frequent power cuts can be an issue.
I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.